Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of On the Other Side of the Road. Today is a special day for Mother's Day. And why not? Our mamas have been taking care of us most of our entire life. So why not, do a little stop by and give them something special. I'm calling this episode today Mother's Day Drive-By. No. Let me rephrase that. Mother's Day Ride By. I'll tell you, it is a little nippy out here today. It's in the, I think mid 40s, but early this morning it was 35 degrees. But it is worth doing this. We will be making 3 stops on this route today. On this first stop, my lovely lady Arlene's mom's house. Okay, next stop, my sister Janice's house. We are on our last stop right now. My mom and my sister. Well, this turned out to be a little bit longer of a ride by. My mom insisted that I come in and hang out for a few minutes before we go. When I have been coming by before, I've only been able to go to the window to see her, so she hasn't seen me up close in person for a long time since all this started with the pandemic. She has been recovering from cancer in the last 4 or 5 months, so I wanted to be very careful. I didn't really want to go inside, but she insisted, so we went inside. So, all 3 stop missions accomplished. Anyway, happy Mother's Day to everyone. Have a good one. And most of all, be safe.